Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. I'll be taking you through the cutting and the sewing of this off-shoulder top, and I'll just be needing the length, the round shoulder measurement, the sleeve length, and the round sleeve as well. I'll also be needing the bust measurement in this tutorial. Don't forget, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button. Also click the notification bell in order to get notifications for all our tutorials. And we upload the cutting and the sewing of our tutorials differently, so anytime you watch how to cut, remember to watch how to sew. You can also leave your comments in the comment box below. Alright, welcome back. First, I'm going to join the sides, then I'll also join the sleeve. I'm going to, the excess parts, I'm going to join it to the plain material, but let's work on this first. After joining the side, like I said, I'll join the sleeve, then I'll attach it together.
Action.
Alright, this is the sleeve. First, I'm going to gather this part and I will join it to the main dress, to the band. Then after that, I'm going to join the side and attach it to the blouse. Okay, so this is what I have after joining that. So I'm going to repeat the same on the other sleeve, just like I did here. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other sleeve, and also I'll attach it to this before we now focus on the off shoulder parts of our blouse. Okay, so we have this. I want to attach the elastic to the dress, and I'm going to turn on the inside. Then I'll take the measurement of 6.5 inches from the base. This is 6.5 inches. So I'm going to take that measurement all through. And on the 6.5 inches measurement, that's where I chopped out. That is where I'm going to place my elastic. Remember, we cut out the elastic in the cutting tutorial. So I'll just place it, then I'll sew on the fabric. Alright, so this is my elastic. It will go around my blouse. So you have to pull the elastic. Let's see what we have on the outside. Alright, so we have this. Okay, now the cape. For the sake of those that wouldn't want their blouse to be that off, you can just add your cape to the neck from here. But in case we subtracted 4 inches, so we can still minus like 6 or 8, since we're going to return this, and this is 2 inches. So for that reason, I'm still going to bring this down a bit, and to do that, I'm going to measure 4 inches down. I'm going to return 2 inches, so it's going to be minus 6 at the end of my sewing. I'm still going to return 2 inches band, so it's going to be minus 6. But just in case you don't want something as off as this, you can subtract 2, you can subtract 1, and you can leave it the way it is. So I'll cut it straight to the sleeve. Alright, next is to attach our cape, and from what we have here, I already have the excess, and to shrink that excess to the normal measurement of the round shoulder, you can either use your elastic, like I said, because here too we have excess. Okay, so I decided not to use elastic, and this time around what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather from the sleeve. I'm going to gather this part, and I'm also going to gather this part so as to get my normal round shoulder measurement. So the gathering of this will shrink the fabric, so that I can bring out the normal round shoulder measurement of 36 on the cape. So I'll just gather the sleeve, the first and the second sleeves. I'll gather it to my normal measurements. Okay, so I have 18 inches here, and that is my normal 36 inches measurement. Now there are two ways to attaching the cape. First, I need to join from the inside, then out of stitch on the outside. That's one way, one method. And the other method is just holding, and then you join it round so that the end you have this. So whichever method you choose to join, just go ahead with it. Alright, so after joining, then we can just weave the inside, weave all the necessary parts and iron smoothly. You can as well have your label on this, and I guess we are done with this sewing. So thanks for watching Kharis tutorial. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment box below, and also if you're watching this tutorial, there's need for you to watch the cutting as well.